So let's get to lab 14.16, that is configure an iSCSI in here. Okay, get to work. As you can see, I did this prior and was able to score everything. So I'm taking you through step by step so that you can see the process. So let's start lab. As it's loading, remember to subscribe, share in the comments on which video you would like us to work on. And the instruction I was given, your workers in IT administrator for a growing corporate network. You created an iSCSI storage area network, SAN. You can check on my previous video, we did that. Then on the CorpiSCSI server, you need to make this storage available to Corp file 16 users. So in this lab task, we need to access the CorpSCSI server running as a VM on CorpServer. So we go to just a minute. So the first step is to select on CorpServer, then maximize the window to view all the virtual machines. So let's get to CorpServer. Under Hyper-V Manager, we come to CorpServer. Then from here, let's maximize this. Okay, we can just browse through and look for Corp file 16 because that's what we are targeting. Then once it's opened, you can go to tools because we'll be working with the iSCSI Initiator. Then we log into the target, which is CorpiSCSI. So we can type in this to the target. So then we click quick connect. Okay, a minute. So once you're able to log in the target, you click quick connect and verify that the target was added to the discovered target panel. Okay, so click quick connect. So was the target discovered? No. That's why I'm trying to discover why. So let's retrace our steps. So the first step was to go to the CorpServer, then come to file 16. Then once you come to the file 16, we were to select tools so that we get to our iSCSI Initiator. Then here we were to log on to the target. Okay. So once you log into the target, we click quick connect. Yep. It was a typo issue. Then we are connected. So say done. So once we are done, we can come out of that space, and the next step will be to bring the iSCSI disk online. So this will go by going to the files and storage, then going up to the disk. So go to files and storage, then get to the disks. So once you get to the disks, you need to bring the iSCSI disk online, which is not the case. Okay, so bring it online. Yes. Once you bring it online, you need to use the available storage. So create new volume, you left click and say create new volume. Then the next step will be also, once you have created the new volume, you click next to begin the new volume wizard. Then under the disk, you select disk 3. So let's click next. Then let's select disk 3, which is selected. So click next. So we are going to use all the available storage. So click next. We need the driver G, letter G. So our driver is letter G. Then the file system needs to be NTFS, and the name of the file, the volume label is IS. Yeah, so we change from the new volume label to this that we are given. Then once we have that, once we have changed the volume label, we can click next and then click create. So we click next, then we click create. So once we have that, we can close, and that's how we are done with that task. So go ahead and submit your score and be held sure that it will be 100%.